Corruption in India. Corruption is the misuse of public power for private gain. Power tends to corrupt, and the absolute power corrupts absolutely. It is mostly concerned with bribery, and corruption is a global phenomenon and it is omnipresent. It has progressively increased now and it was a rampant in our society. Nowadays, corruption is spreading like a disease not only in our country but all over the world. It affects the growth and development of the country in all aspects such as socially, economically, and politically. Corruption is prevalent in every field such as hospitals, education, jobs, sports, government offices, etc. Corruption is closely associated with bribery, which means to give or to take profit for some illegal work. Today, the number of ministers with an honest image can be counted on fingers. At one time, bribe was paid for getting wrong things done, but now bribe is paid for getting right things done at the right time. Many of the biggest scandals involve high-level government officials, including cabinet ministers, chief minister in cases like 2G spectrum scam, Adarsh Housing Society scam, right now cash for oath scam. All these scandals drain several hundred billions of the honest taxpayers and of Indian economy. Right now, corruption in India is just leading to get promotion, not prison. Corruption is also the main cause of poverty, as rich are getting richer and poor are getting poor. Not all the packages compensations announced by government reach the minorities and backward communities. Country growth will spoil because of corruption. So, nation shines when black money comes to light. Don't feed corruption by yourself. Hand to hand, let's take a stand to stop corruption.